Hey there, content creators and storytellers. Get ready to elevate your visual game with the Kimire Video Camera, your passport to stunning videos and vibrant memories. Imagine having a camera that's not just a recording device, but a gateway to a world of creative possibilities. Introducing the Kimire Video Camera, a digital companion that's as versatile as you are. Need to share your creativity in real time? The Kimire Video Camera isn't just for recording, it doubles as a webcam. Connect it to your computer, choose the PC cam mode, and dive into video calls with your friends and family. Unleash your content on platforms like YouTube with ease. This camcorder is a powerhouse of features, from 1080p video resolution and 24MP image capture to a 16x digital zoom. With a 3.0-inch LCD that rotates 270 degrees, you have the flexibility to capture every angle. Plus, the anti-shake technology ensures your footage is steady and clear. Let's talk convenience. The pause function lets you take breaks during recording without starting a new file, making editing a breeze. Connect directly to your computer with the included USB cable for hassle-free video uploads. And with the AV cable, play back your creations on the big screen. Worried about running out of battery during those long shoots? Fear not. The Kimire Video Camera comes with two NP-FB5 batteries, offering 60 to 90 minutes of recording on a full charge. Need more juice? No problem. Record while charging to capture every moment without interruptions. Life is full of spontaneous moments, and your camera should be ready to capture them all. The Kimire Video Camera is small, compact, and supports SD/SDHC cards up to 128 GB. It's your creative sidekick, always ready to film your next adventure. Elevate your storytelling with the Kimire Video Camera, where innovation meets simplicity. Whether you're a student, professional, or just starting your filmmaking journey, this camera is designed for you.